guys, welcome to the unboxing video of the M Electric Scooter. We're super psyched to finally have it here. First things first, we're gonna have to make sure that we wear safety gloves and are ready for unpacking. So let me go in the storage department just to catch it really quick. When you unpack the scooter, you need to be very careful because you don't want to scratch it, and these are all metal pieces. So you need the proper tools in order to make sure that you can lift the scooter out of the metal cage. The battery! The battery! Alright, let's unpack this even more. Time to unbox the boxes. Okay, this is to cover your vehicle identification number. Manual. Second pair of keys because you have already keys there. So, mirror, also your front dash panel, and comes even with a handy set of tools. I have no idea what this is. The hook. And a very heavy charger. Keys, remote. Alright, and let's unpack the 48 volt 42 ampere hour battery, which will get you 100 km if I get it out of the box. Ta-da-da! Feels like 100 kilometers. We leave this on. Alright, so about the M Plus. It's an absolute gorgeous piece of art from NIU. I have to admit, this is by far one of the sexiest, slickest scooters you can get this season in 2019. And to talk a little bit about specs. The M Plus Sport comes with a 1600W max power. 1200 is the rated power, so it quite gets you somewhere from A to B. It's also very light in comparison to the M. It's a lighter version. The battery you saw, huge, and it gets you 100 km, which is absolutely fantastic. So you can literally get it out, charge it, plug it back in, and off to it for 100 km. It has a lot of safety features which I personally like. So for example, the light here on the side is absolutely perfect. It allows you to be seen also, let's say, in very bad weather conditions. And if you want to ride with a second rider, you just pop out these legs here on the side and you're off to go. Time to take the last foil off. And there it is, the M Plus available now. Come visit us in the store, Kalia Bakareshli 278, or go online NIUMANIA.com/shop. Thanks for watching and have fun.